All right, Module 2, Lesson 15 is on the definition of rotation and basic properties. Now, a rotation, if you rotate something, you will turn it or spin it. So when we do a rotation, we are going to turn our paper, spin our paper. It doesn't need to be picked up off the transparency doesn't need to be picked up off the paper at all. You're just going to spin it. Now, there's a couple things you need to know when you do a rotation. One of those is you need to know the angle that you're rotating. Angle rotated. And you need to know if that angle is a positive, d is greater than 0, the degrees is greater than 0, which would result in a positive number, or if the degrees is less than 0, which would result in a negative number. If it's a positive number, you're going to rotate counterclockwise. If it's a negative number, you're going to rotate clockwise. Now, I would write this down because it's very easy to switch those two, okay, to rotate the wrong direction. So positive is counterclockwise, negative is clockwise. Now, the other thing that you need to know is you need to know the point of rotation in order to know where you're rotating around, because you could rotate it around one point, get a different picture than if you rotated it around a different point. So we have to have the point that we are holding. Now, we can rotate any number of degrees. Some common ones are 360 degrees. If we rotate 360 degrees, we turn and turn and turn and turn until we're back where we started. 180 degrees. If we had an object up here and we rotated 180 degrees, the object would end up down here. And 90 degrees, if we had an object here and we rotated 90 degrees, it would end up down here, as long as we're rotating clockwise, which would be actually a negative rotation. Okay, if we rotated positive, we would end up over here. So here's some pictures, or a picture. Before the rotation, we have the happy smiley face here. We're going to have a 90-degree rotation. Now, this is actually a negative 90-degree rotation if it's rotating clockwise. And we're going to end up with this picture down here, as long as we are rotating around this point right here, which I'm calling point O. So we will rotate from here to here, 90 degrees. Now, that we already said is a negative 90 degrees. We are rotating clockwise around point O. So when we do a rotation, we need to tell how many degrees we're rotating it, which direction, clockwise or counterclockwise, positive or negative, and around what point you are rotating. So we need to make sure we tell all of those things. Finally, when you do a rotation, lines stay lines, segments stay segments, rays stay rays, and angles are mapped to angles. Also, the lengths are congruent and the angles are congruent. So the object itself is not changing in shape or size. It is simply changing the location it is on the paper.